In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how you can open and print a file that the teacher has left for you for that week's lesson. So if you go to the course page, you'll see under our date of July 1st, there is a PDF document entitled All About Me handout. In parentheses it says print. That just reminds you that it's something that you're going to want to print and have ready for the live class that week. So if you click on that document, it opens it up, and then you can just use the print button at the top, print it out, and you're ready to go.